This will show you how to install myViewBoard on the Android side of the panel. If you are like me and you installed the beta version of myViewBoard, the first thing you need to do is to uninstall it. Click the myViewBoard, hold it down, go to uninstall. Click OK to uninstall this app. Uninstall is finished. Once we uninstalled myViewBoard beta, go to your apps in Chromium. Once in Chromium, we need to go to myviewboard.com. Click on Downloads. And then we're looking for the Android side of myViewBoard. myViewBoard for Android download. We're going to click it. Click Open. Set is blocked due to our security. What we need to do is go into our security settings. So I'm going to go back to Home, into Settings. In Security, we need to turn on Allow from Unknown Sources. Okay. I'm going to come back to my apps. I'm going to go to my download folder. Here's my APK in storage. I did have to go to the download folder, and now I can install the new application. Once installed, make sure you fill out the ViewBoard name, put in your email address, and confirm your email address. Make sure you select education, and go to your email to confirm that you will verify this software program.